students, this is Mars Math classes and we will go to solve the exercise 8 of chapter 8 triangles from R.S. Agrawal. But before starting the video, please go through the link and subscribe the channel. This is my request from the students, and everyone can be subscribe my channel. This is good for me and I will thankful to them. Now see the question number 1. In triangle ABC, if angle B is equal to 76 degree and angle C is equal to 48 degree, find the angle A. So students, easy questions I will not solve. These questions you can solve yourself. I will give only hint. So here hint will be, here two angles are given. Third, you have to find angle A, and you know the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then you solve the value of angle A. Now come to the next question. Second, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles. Here it is also very easy. You can suppose the angles when ratios are given 2x, other will be 3x, and this will be 4x. The sum of angles 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree, and get the value of x, then substitute the value of x for getting first angle 2 into x, and second will be 3 into x, and third will be 4 into x. So you will find 3 angles. Next question number 3rd. In triangle ABC, if 3 angle A is equal to 4 angle B is equal to 6 angle C, calculate angle A, angle B, angle C. So here these three are related to each other by equal sign. So you can equate it K. Suppose K. So how to solve it? Let's see. This is equal to K. Now angle A is equal to K upon 3. Angle B is equal to K upon 4. Angle C is equal to K upon 6. Now add these three angles. Angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Here substitute the value of angle A, then angle B, then angle C. Now take the LCM and get the value of K, and then you substitute the value of K in these three angles. So you will get each angles. Let's see how to solve. See, the LCM is 12 and solve the K. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 0. Now 12 2s are 24 and 0. K is equal to 240. Here angle A is equal to K upon 3 means 240 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24 and 0, 80 degree. Angle B is equal to 240 upon 4. We are substituting the value of K. So this becomes, solve it. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24 and 0, 60 degree. Angle C is equal to K upon 6 means 240 upon 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24 and 0, 40 degree. Now ABC, sum of these three angles will be 180 for verification. 60 plus 40 100 plus 80 180 degree. Now next question, question number 4. In triangle ABC, if angle A plus angle B is equal to 108 degree and angle B plus angle C is equal to 130 degree, find angle A, angle B, angle C. And see the question number 5. In triangle ABC, sum of these two angle A and B is equal to 125 degree, A and C 113 degree, and A find angle ABC. Both are same question, so I will solve only one and give the clue how to solve. Here you can find angle A in terms of angle B, and here angle C in terms of angle B. Then sum of three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Let's see. Here A, B, C are the angle of a triangle, so no need to change to take the value of A will be 108 minus B. No, we can easily use write A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, because these angles of a triangle, so sum will be 180 degree, and here we substitute this value here in the equation. So A plus B is equal to 108 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 108 degree. Subtract it and get the value of angle C. 10 minus 8, 2 and 7, 72 degree. You get the value of angle C, substitute here, then you get the value of B. So this is the value of B, and this value substitute here, angle A plus angle B is equal to 108. So this becomes angle A plus 58 degree is equal to 108 degree, and angle A is equal to 108 degree minus 58 degree, 880, and 10 minus 5, 5, 50 degree. So three angles we are easily find out, angle A and angle C, and here this is angle B, 58 degree. Same you can solve the question number 5, because sum are given of two angles. Substitute for angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So look at the question number 5. You can solve using same method as question number 4. Come to the question number 6. In triangle PQR, if angle P minus Q is equal to 42 degree and angle Q minus R is equal to 21 degree, then find angle P, Q and R. So here write P in terms of Q. So P will be 42 plus angle Q, and here find R in terms of Q. Angle R is equal to angle Q, and this will come on left side, so minus 21. So angle R will be angle Q minus 21 degree, and angle Q is angle Q. Sum of three angles, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Write P and R in terms of angle Q. So get the value of angle Q, and other angles also you can solve with the help of angle Q. Let's see. Now here we get the value of angle P in terms of angle Q, and here also angle R in terms of angle Q. You can take R on right side and 21 on left side, so this becomes minus, okay, and R becomes plus. Now sum of interior angles will be 180 degree. So here write the value of angle P is equal to 42 degree plus angle Q for this, and this is angle Q as it is, plus angle R in terms of angle Q. So this becomes angle Q minus 21 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle Q, angle Q, angle Q, 3 angle Q, 3 times angle Q, and here 42 minus 21 is equal to 21 is equal to 180 degree. 3 angle Q is equal to 180 degree minus 21 degree, minus 21, okay, degree. Solve it and get the value of Q. So this is the value of angle Q is equal to 53 degree. Now substitute this value here. So you will get the angle P, and here you will get the angle R. So this becomes angle P is equal to 42 degree, 42 degree plus 53 degree, which is angle Q. 3025 and 549, and angle R is equal to angle Q minus 21, so 53 degree minus 21 degree. This becomes 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 32 degree. So 3 angles we can calculate by solving like this. Next, question number 7. The sum of two angles of a triangle is 116 and their difference is 24. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. So take angle A and angle B and angle C of the triangle and write angle A plus B is equal to 116 degree and angle A minus B is equal to 24 degree. Let's see the solution. So these two equations are formed, and you know how to solve these equations. Add these two equations, so you will get 2 times angle A. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. 2 angle A is equal to, add these two, 6, 4, 10, 2 and 1, 3, and 1, 4, and 1. So angle A is equal to, divided by 2, 140 upon 2, 2 sevens are 14, and 0, 70 degree. Now substitute this value, any equation. So angle A is 70 degree plus angle B is equal to 116 degree. Angle B is equal to 116 degree minus 70 degree. Subtract it, 6, 0, and 11 minus 7, 4, 46 degree. Next, angle C, how can you find? You know the sum of three angles will be 180 degree. So write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 70 degree plus 46 degree. This is angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now add these two and take it on right side. Subtract from 180 degree, you get the angle C. Solve it. So angle C is equal to 64 degree. So these three angles we have find. Now we will solve other questions in my next video. So students, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please give your comments so that I can able to know what the expectations of the students from me, and give the comments about my lectures. Thank you and have a nice day.